If you are just beginning drawing, you are so excited that you want to practice all the time. To keep your drawing supplies handy, it's a good idea to create a compact drawing kit that you can bring with you anywhere. I created this short video to show you my kit so you can easily make your own. This is designed to fit in one small box or purse or bag so that you'll have your drawing supplies with you wherever you go. The box that I use is just a jewelry box. I believe it's a necklace box, and I found it at an art store. And the only modification I had to do to it was to poke a small hole in the end so that my measuring stick would fit in as well. And then I just keep it closed with an elastic hair tie. And voila, I've got all my tools with me. The measuring stick I use, this is a bamboo skewer for like barbecuing. You'd find it at any grocery store. And it's over 1 foot long. And the reason that I use this instead of like a pencil or a paintbrush is that it's thinner and it obscures less of the model when I use it to measure with. Another tool that I use is a plumb line, and this is made from a fishing sinker. You can find it at a hardware store, and kite string, also at a hardware store. And this is used to plumb a point that is directly above another point or below to see what lines up vertically. The pencil that I use is HB. You could use any brand pencil, and the HB pencil can give you a surprisingly large range of value simply by the way you hold it, whether it's held loosely with your hand or stronger or very strong as if you were writing. Once in a while I'll feel I need something that's a bit lighter, and so I would use a harder pencil like an H or a 2H. If I needed something that was a little bit darker, I would use a softer pencil like a B or a 2B. Another tool that is indispensable is a kneaded eraser. You don't have to keep the whole wad of it with you, just a nice sized chunk. The kneaded eraser is kept fresh by kneading, and you just work it in your hand to keep it clean. If you make it into a wedge shape, you can use it to pare down how thick your lines are. It also can be used by forming it into a sharp point to pull off little flecks, or hatching just like you would with a pencil. You can hatch with it. The other eraser that I use is a small elastomer eraser. This is actually the smallest one that I've been able to find. It's a Tombow Mono Zero elastomer eraser, and I don't use this for blocking in, but for finishing on a drawing. If there's small areas I need to correct, this is great for getting into small areas. For sharpening the pencil, if one doesn't have an electronic sharpener, utility blade works wonderfully for removing the wood of the pencil. And then the lead can be sharpened using a piece of sandpaper. This one's 180 grit. Anything around that range would be fine. And there's several different techniques you can use for sharpening the lead. You can move it around in a circular motion while twisting it. That way you're evenly sharpening the tip. You can thrust it back and forth and twist it, or you could swipe it side to side while turning it. All of those are excellent ways of getting a very, very fine point on your pencil. A couple other things that I use that don't fit into my box are a mirror and a black mirror. The mirror can be used to get a fresh look at your drawing. You can hold it just under your eyes and it puts the drawing upside down. You can use it just to the side and it reverses it, and you'll see a mirror image, and it gives you fresh eyes so that you can see errors. It's really great if you can see both your drawing and the model in the mirror at the same time, and then look for differences between the two by flicking your eye back and forth. The same thing can be done with the black mirror. The difference with the black mirror is that it compresses the values differently than just a regular mirror does. It organizes it, and it's very helpful for finding what is the lightest light, where if you're just looking at it with your eyes or in a regular mirror, it could be hard to judge what's the lightest light, but this organizes the value in such a way that it can help to distinguish between values. So that's it, your own compact drawing kit. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other drawing videos. And please like, share, and subscribe. I'm excited to see you again.